Hello friends, this is Ray and welcome back to the Port of Indecision. Well, we are on board the Azamara Onward and we're headed to do a 12-day Greek cruise where we're going to be hitting a number of islands: Paros, Syros, Santorini, Crete, and just really checking out the beautiful scenery and the beautiful world that is in the Greek Isles. This is our first time on Azamara, so we'll be doing many videos on the experience. And so far, we're in an N2 suite. We've got to tell you, we love it. The suite has plenty of room. The food, the staff, everything. Of course, we're on embarkation day, but everything has been great. So I hope you'll come along, and thanks for watching the Port of Indecision.
We sailed from the Port of Indecision.
The N2 Club Continent Suite on Azamara Onward offers 266 square feet of interior space, a 60-foot square foot private veranda, and exclusive perks like English butler service and complimentary specialty dining at Prime C and Aquilina. And in each suite, you'll receive a letter outlining all of the different perks that are available to you while you're sailing with Azamara in a Continent Suite. In this overhead view, you can see the Continent Suite offers a comfortable and well-appointed space with a private veranda, a welcoming seating area, and a generous bathroom. Some staterooms have a tub, while others have a walk-in shower. Our stateroom 8060 was located on deck 8 and towards the rear or aft of the ship. On the Onward, the restaurants are located in the rear of the ship, while the lounges and entertainment are in the front of the ship.
Here we are on the Azamara Onward, and we are staying in cabin 8060. And entering into the suite, it's a lot larger than anything we've ever been in before. And here is the king-size bed. We come here, you have a light by the bed, a reading light, and then you see one outlet there, and you have a night table, a nice padded headboard.
Under each bedside reading light, you will also find a USB charging port.
Another outlet, another nightstand, very nice chair, and then we have a bottle of champagne from the hotel director. Very nice flowers. On this side of the suite, you have a desk, 6 drawers, a nice television. Our stateroom attendant is Julie, and our butler is Roy.
This was our first time on Azamara, and I have to say, our stateroom attendant Julie kept our room immaculate and provided great service, as did our butler Roy.
The first cabinet, or first closet, and you see 2 robes, an Azamara bag, slippers, 2 umbrellas, plenty of hangers. This next closet, we've got the life jackets, a little shelf, some shoe bags, blow dryer, and extra hangers. Here we have the safe, another shelf, ice bucket with plenty of water, have a refrigerator. We start here. You got a full-size mirror from floor to ceiling. Now we have the bathroom.
When we were booking our cruise on Azamara, we had seen a number of videos where people complained about the size of the showers. That's why we picked the suite. As you can see, it's got glass from ceiling to floor, and I have to say, this shower was probably one of the best showers I have had on a cruise ship, if not even a hotel. It had an overhead, a handheld, and the water pressure was outstanding.
Toilet. Beautiful mirror. Sink. And this is out to the patio. Here we have 2 seats and a table. A very nice size patio.
One of the greatest perks about being a suite guest on Azamara is you get the English butler service, and I'd like to introduce you to our butler, Roy.
Come in.
Good afternoon, Mr. Raymond. Good afternoon, Miss Patricia. Welcome on board. My name is Roy. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Roy, and I'm your butler for this voyage. And it would be my pleasure to provide you an excellent service. So I give you a little bit of tour regarding your lovely suite. So first, at 5 o'clock, you have your master grill. When you hear the announcement, anywhere you are on the ship, just go straight to deck number 5, Master Station B, which is the Discovery Restaurants. But you don't need to bring your life jacket. But in case of an emergency, your life jacket is here. So we have 2 life jackets, one on each of you. And then here you have your laundry bag with the laundry list. Because on this voyage, you have 2 free bags of laundry. So if you want to send some laundry, you must fill up the form, and then when it's ready to pick up, just give me a call and I'll be more than happy to pick it out here, and then I'll bring back to you on the next day wash and press. The water are complimentary, and the ice, putting the ice in the morning and also in the evening. But if you want to have some fresh ice in the afternoon, just give me a call and I'll bring it to you right away. Alright? And you have a bottle of sparkling wine just to welcome you on board. It's a compliment from our hotel director, Mr. Richard. And also when we make the room in the evening, I'm putting the room service breakfast menu on your bed. So if you want to have some breakfast in the room, or coffee or tea to start your lovely day, just feel free to fill up the form and you can hang it outside the door. Alright? I will let you enjoy it, and if you need anything, just give me a call and I'll be more than happy to assist you at any time. Enjoy your cruise, and I'll see you around. Bye for now.
I hope this video shows you why we will be sailing on Azamara again. Thanks to Julie, Roy, and all of the crew on the Azamara Onward. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Port of Indecision. It's free and no passports required.